To secure gains from your investment on Robinhood, you can look into profits by selling assets or using strategic order types to protect your earnings. This process begins with selling your assets or crypto. Open the Robinhood app, scroll down to the stocks or crypto section, and select the specific stock or crypto you wish to sell. On the screen, click the trade button, then select the sell option, and enter the amount you want to sell, either in shares or your local currency. After entering the amount, click Review. You also have the option to change your order type by clicking on the shares or order type at the top of the screen, allowing you to choose from various orders such as limit order or stop order. For instance, selecting a stop order will provide a step-by-step guide on how to use it. Simply follow the prompts, click Continue, enter the trigger or stop price, and then select the time enforced to place your order. Alternatively, you can partially sell your investment to secure some profits without selling everything. This approach involves selling enough to recover your initial investment, allowing the rest to potentially gain more profits in stages, thus maximizing your gains while remaining in the market. By following these steps, you can effectively secure your profits on Robinhood.